How to turn off business account on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and now as you can see, I have professional dashboard on my profile, which means the business account is enabled. So go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on the business tools and controls option under the For Professionals tab. Now, tap on the Switch Account Type option and then select the Switch to Personal Account option, and then tap on the Switch to Personal Account option in the pop-up that appears. And now, if you go back to your profile, you will not see Professional Dashboard anywhere, which means the business account has been disabled. So, this is how you can turn off business account in Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.